Hi, it's Kathleen, and today we're looking for a party dress at the antique mall / vintage store / thrift store. Basically wherever I can find a good party dress. Are you ready? Let's go. And might I say, Mother Earth has just done a lovely job with this day. A+, S tier day. That's incredible. But this is what I really came for. I heard that the basement was just chock-a-block full of awesome vintage dresses. So let's see. We'll start over here. Okay, first I was like, where is all the clothing? And then here it is. It goes on forever. I definitely see some dresses in here. Let's take a look. So while I'm looking, let me tell you a little bit about like what I'm actually looking for. The dress code is cocktail, and the wedding's gonna be like in a cool old jazzy hotel. So I'm thinking like classic cocktail dress. Although I'm open to possibilities. This is so sweet. I don't think it would fit me. It looks a little small. So pretty though. It feels like it's real silk. There's a lot of cute like gunny sack / prairie style dresses that I would usually love, but just doesn't really feel formal enough. This is sweet too. I love these little kind of 3D sequins. One thing about vintage dresses though is that usually the bust is smaller than modern sizes, so I think this would be too small up top. Okay, I might have just hit the jackpot. 1 rack, 2 racks, 3 racks. Wow, I'm in heaven. You guys, no sleeping on the job. What are you doing? I wanted to show you this. So pretty, right? Yeah, we're trying this one for sure. Can you hold this? Thank you. One thing I love about shopping in antique malls and vintage stores is you get to avoid that god-awful thrift store screech, you know, and the hangers are like the whole time. I know you know, you have to deal with it during my videos. Ooh, look at this. Okay, made it to the fitting room. Moment of truth. Let's try this bad boy on. Kind of knew it was too good to be true. It's pretty cute. I'm not crazy about this top part, but she don't even zip. She didn't stand a chance. Okay, we'll keep looking. Alright, so no luck in the basement. I did see some more clothing upstairs. Let's go check that out. Onward. Okay, I can already tell this booth is gonna be crazy. Yep. I was right. Oh my gosh, I found the twin to this dress in last week's video, remember? It had the, I think, like more orange cheetah print. Same brand and everything. Here it is. Oh my gosh, that's wild. Literally. But I want to sit so bad. No luck there, but we just happened to be by 2 other secondhand shops, so let's go check them out real quick. Very Betty Boop, or just like a rabbit. I think I'm more of a Betty Boop kind of gal. I show up to your wedding in a beaded burlesque set. What do you do? Is this too yeehaw for a wedding? Yeah. Is this too Mrs. Claus for a wedding? Literally a square dancing dress. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. nothing's striking my fancy, or nothing striking my fancy that would actually fit me. So shall we go to our last spot to check? It's across the street. I'll carry you. Let's go. Welcome to the Boomerang Room. This is one of my favorite vintage shops in Columbus. And usually people come for furniture and home goods. They have really good stuff. We actually got our couch and bed frame here, but they also have really nice clothing and it feels a little bit more formal. So I think we might be able to find something. You know I love a micro pleat. This color is really fun too. I just wish the neckline was a little bit different. So that's gonna be a nah for me. I did not come here for home goods, but this would be so fun to hold like stickers or pins or pencils. It's a makeup caddy, so I guess you could also hold makeup in it. I just love a flat file. I'm into it. Y'all, we are cutting it close. The wedding is in like 3 days. So we're at the only place I can turn in case of vintage dress emergency. The alley, baby. I'm so excited. Let's go. Here we are. I feel like if I can't find something here, it's just not meant to be. We're in like the cocktail kind of formal wear section and I'll let you know what I find. I only have like an hour, so let's zoom through here. Yeah. I feel like this neckline would be super mod and chic. Whoa. I mean, how could I say no to a double zipper? Love this. It's like a little mini dress silhouette, but it's got nice velvet. If this wedding wasn't taking place in the middle of July, I'd say heck yeah. Okay, so nothing worked out in the dressing room, so now I'm looking at the clearance rack and I saw this sleeve and got very excited. Too much for a wedding? I also found these cute little pom-pom heels. Clown core, but make it wedding appropriate. This is honestly kind of cute. I might try this. Officially no luck in the dressing rooms, but let's look for a fun little accessory. I think these earrings were here last time and I was kicking myself for not getting them. So this might have to come home with me. If this isn't the cutest little mini tote bag I have ever seen, I don't think I need it, but it's so sweet. Come on in. Hello. Are you okay? You seem nervous. So I went to the antique mall and I said, if nothing works, I can pull my ace in the hole and go to the alley and I know I'll find something there. Went to the alley, also didn't find anything as we know, so now it's time for me to pull the ace out of my sleeve. How many aces do I have? And try and find a dress online. A secondhand dress on Thredup. Now this video is not sponsored by Thredup, so I'm not going to go into all of the details about it, but I will say it's a secondhand marketplace that seems to have really nice stuff. I've actually surprisingly never used it before. So I'm going to take a scroll through their dresses and then pick some favorites and I'll show you what I find. Oh, where did Kashi go? There he is. At first I was just organizing by cocktail dresses, but then I realized that the casual dress section also had really nice like cocktail dresses in it, so word to the wise. If you're looking for dresses, just look at all of the types. Anyways, I found quite a few. These are all of the favorites that I have, but some of them are just too expensive. So I think these two are the two that I'm choosing between, and they're so different, right? I feel like they're the two different sides of the Kathleen coin. We've got kind of like a silky goth moment. It has these nice tie-ups on the side and some satin. And then this one is a little silky tiger moment with one of my favorite color combinations, red and pink. A really cute square neckline. I'm a little worried that the straps might be a little too short, but let me know down in the comments which one you would go for. I'm gonna choose one, but I'm gonna surprise y'all, so you won't know until I open it. Take my money. Okay, it's ordered. Now let's just hope that it gets here in time. I guess we'll just sit here and wait. The wedding is in 2 hours. Let's try it on. I would say that my hopes are at about like a 40% right now. Definitely thought this said, hey, nice pickles. Thanks. Wait, it's velvet. I definitely did not realize. Oh, also I got the black one. I also did not realize there was a deep V in the front. It's stretchy. I'm scared. Pros, it zips up and it fits the body well. Cons, the front is not appropriate for wearing in public. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's find a different dress to wear. Hi, I'm in the middle of getting ready, but I wanted to show you the dresses that I'm choosing between. This is a little cute vintage silk rose dress. This is my first choice, and if it doesn't work, I've got this like flowy chocolate brown long number. This is the safe choice. I know it'll work either way, so let's try the rose dress. Let's try the other one. And then I didn't like how either of the dresses looked, so I pulled an audible and wore a completely different one. I just rolled out of bed. It is the next morning, and I would describe my current look as disheveled. But all things considered, not too bad. So, did the dress hunt go as we foresaw this week? No. But was the wedding fun, and did I get to see my friends that I've known since kindergarten? Yeah. Also, the bride and groom's dog did walk down the aisle, and he was wearing a top hat. What more could you ask for, honestly? So let's talk about the dress I chose. You saw me show 2 dresses yesterday, neither of which I ended up wearing. It was seriously down to the wire last night. Like, it was 4:30, I was still trying to choose a dress, we had to leave at 4:40. So I grabbed Old Faithful from the closet, this really beautiful silk Adriana Papel wrap dress that has really big shoulder pads, which I kind of forgot, but they're honestly amazing. And it was perfect. It was easy breezy, it kept me cool-ish, and best of all, it was loose enough that I could just move. I could just boogie without having to worry about anything. The dress that I tried on yesterday that I got from Thredup, I would have had to worry. Oh, I would have had to worry. Also, I didn't manage to really take any pictures because I was just busy out there doing my thing. But here's a cute one of me and Gus. I like that one. You can see that I'm wearing the little clip-ons that I got from the alley. Those were definitely my little statement piece. Why do I have deja vu right now? Why do I have deja vu of saying that I have deja vu? Anyways, although we didn't find the vintage dress of my dreams this week, I had a lot of fun thrifting with you and checking out some new stores, trying on a bunch of pretty dresses even though most of them did not fit. That's okay, it was honestly pretty funny how badly most of them fit. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite dress was that I tried on this week, even if it didn't fit. I think my favorite was that kind of shiny green one from the alley that I couldn't even get over my head, but that would have been so cute. Next week, I think we're heading back to the thrift store. So if you'd like to be notified when I post my next thrift with me, then please feel free to subscribe. If you'd like, I'd really appreciate it. I post every weekend, and if you want to keep watching videos until I post my next one, then why don't you check out this playlist? Or my most recent upload. Could you even see that? There we go. There it is. Thanks for coming along with me on this journey. Hope you have a great week. I love you. Okay, bye.